In this video, I'm going to review the best broker that is for the traders who are living in Kuwait and the different parts of Arabia. So this is going to be the best broker. I'm using the Exness broker from 2015 and it has never cheated me. The first good thing about the Exness broker is that they are regulated. They have a proper live chat. For example, if you click here, you can simply connect to their live chat agent, and the withdrawals and the deposit methods are very clear, and this is one of the legit brokers that is available on the tradings. Okay, so basically the problem with the brokers is that without any research we join the brokers and later on we get into think that they have scammed us. So this is not the case with the Exness. I can show you with proofs that this is my recent withdrawal that I have just done, and you can see that is on 5 days ago, 9th of May 2023, and I have withdrawn $1,014.19 or 12 cents, sorry. Okay, now you can see this is the invoice ID and this was deposited to my Perfect Money account. And the good thing about this broker is that it has also provided me a lot of withdrawals from 2015, right? Okay, so I will recommend the best account sizes that if you are willing to join that broker, I have given the link in the description of this video below. You can join because there are some fake websites in the name of Exness broker, so please do not join them. The link that I have given in the description of my video works very well, and this is the authentic broker to the website. Okay, first of all, you can see that the most popular account is the standard account, and my recommendation personally is for all traders who are from Kuwait, who are from Saudi Arabia, who are from Dubai and different parts of the world. If you are from Thailand, China, then you should go for the standard account because this is the most best account, and I personally use this standard account and the spread starts from 0.3. okay, and you can simply by joining the link, then you can open a real account with them. So while opening the real account, I would recommend you to go for the standard account. Also, if you do not have a heavy investment and you want to trade the market with the micro lots, then you can go for the standard cent account. The other ones are raw spread, the lowest spread and low commissions, but again I will say that they have a different accounts like zero and the pro, but I will recommend you keep in this your mind that you should go for the standard account for the main account, because this is the account, because I'm personally trading from 2015 and this is one of the best accounts that would be working for you, the standard one. Okay guys, I again repeat, if you are from Dubai, if you are from Kuwait, if you are from Oman, Qatar and Thailand, China, India and Pakistan, then you can join this broker. That is the best broker. I have given the link in the description of the video below, and I have shown you my withdrawals that this is one of the legit brokers, and trust me, I personally use the Perfect Money option. They offer you variety of payment methods, so personally I'm using the Perfect Money, and trust me, just within a minute I get my withdrawal and I am able to exchange my withdrawal into my bank account. Okay, so this is the best broker. The link is given in the description of this video below. Do not get fooled by the various new brokers who do not have a reputation and who are not legit. Do not get fooled by such brokers. Join the authentic one, and that's why I'm making the video, and I will keep on posting the videos about that broker because this is one of the legit platform, and that's what I have shown you through my withdrawal as well. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. The link is given in the description of this video below. I will be back with another video. Thank you very much.